Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video teaching lesson, I will discuss self-practice 1.4. In the arrow diagram on the right, function f maps set p to set q, right? Okay, f. Alright, and function g is another function that maps function g. Okay, let's highlight the function g in yellow color. Function g, okay, maps set q to set r. So q to r, okay, this is q, this is r, this is function g. So you are asking to determine the function f. This is easy because function f is actually bring the object x, maps the x to the image 3x, alright? And then you're asking to find the gf. G is a function and f is an object, right? So that means the function g will bring the object. Let me highlight the object in red color. It's the f. So we just differentiate the object in red color. So I'm going to write the function gf. So actually is gf is actually bring the x to the 2x minus 7, right? So this is the composite function, alright? So the function g will bring the object f to 2x minus 7. Alright, so now I will discuss question number 2 in faster way, because this one I think I teach before for number 2a and 2d, right? So I'm going to discuss 2b, right? Because the a and d I discussed in my previous online class, but 2b I haven't discussed. So now I'm going to do 2b, which is fx equal to 4 plus 2x, right? So you're asking to find fg, and let's write down the gx. Okay, let's differentiate using different color. So I'm going to write fx in red color, and gx I'm going to use blue color, right? So I'm discussing b. So now I'm going to do fg. So f is a function, okay? The letter that we write first is a function, followed by g is an object, okay? So that means I'm going to write like this: the function f, right? Then I'm going to put in the bracket for the object is gx. Alright, so we will actually refer to the function f because the first letter is referring to the function. So let's copy down the function f, okay? If f x, you will get 4 plus 2x, right? So now you are given the object is not x, the object now is gx. So you have to substitute the gx, okay? You have to substitute the gx as the object. So the function is f and the object is gx. Okay, so you can write like this. So the object, we use a blue color to differentiate the object. So normally we will write like this, Okay, we fg, sorry, let me write in red color. Okay, I have to change the color, so it's a bit time consuming, but it will make you understand. Okay, for left hand side we substitute the gx, but for the right hand side, normally we will actually write in like this. Okay, this is this is a fgx, right? Is the object, so you can just write as fg. So 4 plus, when you see gx, you will have to substitute the gx inside. So let's see what is our gx. Our gx is x squared, right? So we are going to put the x squared inside x squared, right? So that is the answer for the fg, which is 4 plus 2x squared. So in short, we will write 4 plus 2x squared for fg x, right? Settle? Okay, we have solved the fgx. Now we are going to do gf. Okay, so we are going to do gf, and we are going to do f2. So gf meaning that the function is g and the object is f. So I'm going to copy down the function g. Okay, gfx. So we're asking to find fgx and gfx. So now let's refer back to the function, which is g. So according to the question, gx is this one. So let's copy down gx equal to x squared. So because the function is g, so you just copy your gx, but you don't write anything. Oh, I cannot write, right? I'm going to substitute with the fx is the object, right? So you put the fx inside. Here you put the fx inside. Normally we will substitute the fx inside the 4 plus 2x, like inside the here. Alright, so it's better for you to write at the left. Okay, so you need to simplify the answer, which is 16 plus 16 x plus 4x squared. Alright, this is the answer for gfx. You can write like this, or sometimes we write as gf. So you can also write like this. Somehow the function notation is like this. gf maps the object x to the, let's arrange in general form, 4x squared plus 16x plus 16. So this is the answer for gfx. Okay, then we are asking to find the f2 and g2. Okay, how to find f2 and g2? Let me do here. Let me erase this one. Now I'm going to show you how to find f2 and g2. Okay, by referring to b, your fx is 4 plus 2x, right? And the gx is x squared. Alright, so now we are going to do composite function right now. So let me erase everything first. So okay, you're given gx equal to x squared. Okay, so now we want to find the f2. So f2, it means what? It means that the function is f and the object is fx. That is the meaning of f2. It means that you substitute function fx into f. So let's refer to the function fx, this one. Let's copy down the function. Okay, so if we are having the fx, okay, we will actually okay, let's write like this. The function, we leave it in red color, and then we have to substitute the object. The object is in blue color, right? So we'll copy this function, right? Then we will just leave the object as blank first, then we substitute the object as fx. At the left, go to the left, and right here, okay, is 4 plus 2x. It's a function of fx. Then let's simplify to the simplest form. So you will get 4 plus 8 plus 4x. So the answer is 12 plus 4x. This is f2x. Got it? Okay, so you can actually write like this. f2 will bring the x to 12 plus 4x. Okay, or you can write as 4x plus 12. It's the same. Now I'm going to discuss g2. Okay, the gx was given. Let's see, the gx was given x squared, right? The gx was given x squared. So now I'm going to show you how to find g2. Okay, so the gx was given, so we're asking to find g2x. It means that the function is g, and then the object is gx, right? Okay, so now we have to refer to the gx. Okay, so if gx we copy down is equal to x squared. So if we substitute here object, we substitute object fx, gx. So here also you have to substitute gx, but gx here is x squared, meaning that I will substitute as gx is x squared, right? So I will actually, this is gx. In fact, inside I have to substitute the gx. So let's change to rectangle bracket to differentiate the two type of bracket. So now you see the gx is equal to x squared. Then you have to square it. So the answer is x power 4 for g2x. So g2x is x power 4. Or you can write like this. You can write your answer in this way. g2 will actually maps the x to the x power 4. Alright, so this is about g2. Okay, so we have settled question number B. Now I'm going to discuss question number C, which is involving fraction. Maybe it's a bit confused to some of you. So let's do it now. Okay, I'm going to do C. We do fg first. So you're given fx equal to x plus 4, and then gx is equal to 6 over x, and x cannot be equal to 0 due to denominator is x. So now I'm going to do fg. So I'm going to differentiate the function using the red color. So f, and then inside I will put okay, this one I will leave it, okay, and then plus 4. This is fx actually. So I refer to fx, then I actually copy the pattern of fx then I will fill up the object with the G because I'm asking to find Gx. So the Gx here is 6 over x. So normally we will make the denominator the same. So we have 6 plus 4x over x, and x cannot be equal to 0 due to denominator over x. Okay, you can leave your answer at 6 over x plus 4, no problem. Okay, settle. So we have found the fg. Now we are going to do gf. So let's do gf. How to do gf? Let's always start with the function as the red color. We copy this function. Okay, we leave it like this, and when we see x, we just leave it first. Now we are going to substitute f as an object of g. So I'm using the blue color to show this is an object. So here I will substitute fx, which is x plus 4. Okay, so hence a denominator must be cannot be equal to 0, so x cannot be equal to negative 4. Okay, so this is the simplest answer. Now I'm going to do f2 and g2. How to do f2, how to do g2? Okay, so the f2 x, it means f2, so it means the object is fx, and the image is actually, okay, let me see. Okay, this is the function, and I'm going to write the object, and the object should be the function f itself. So I'm going to refer to this one. If I have the function okay, I have the function f, I use red color, and the object I will use blue color. So I will refer to this one. The place of x I will replace with the fx. Okay, I just leave it like that. So here I will substitute fx, but the fx is x plus 4. So x plus 4 plus 4, I will get x plus 8. Right, so the answer is x plus 8 for f2x. Okay, how about g2? Gx is 6 over x, right? Gx is 6 over x. Now the function, okay, which one is the function when come to g2? The function is g, and the object is gx. Right, so we will refer to this. You can always erase, if you have the eraser, you can just erase this. You can just erase the object and replace by the gx. So I'm going to write 6 over, and the x I will substitute with the object gx, and the gx itself is 6 over x. Now how to solve this? Many of you are very confused when you come to fraction. So if you confuse this one, you convert to dy. It's 6 dy by 6 over x. So it means it's 6 times x. You have to inverse, so you get x, right? So that means g2, okay, the g2 will give you answer just x. Alright, so this is g2x. You can also write like this: g will bring the g2x will bring the x to the answer, which is x. That is called function notation. G2, can you see there's a 2? Okay, I write here in red color. So g2x is equal to x. You can also write g maps the x G2 maps the x to x. Alright, okay, so I have discussed almost all the question for composite function. Now I'm going to discuss question number 3. Okay, let's see. Question number 3 is a bit challenging. The function f and g are defined as fx given, and also you're given another function which is gx. Find the expression for fg and gf. Fg, and another one is gf. Alright, so that means we have to find these two functions, okay, fg and gf. So we are going to find the values of x when f equal to g and fg equal to gf. Do you understand the question? Maybe you are still new, so let me show you how to do. For fg, it starts with the f, right? So we copy the f. When we copy like this. 3, okay. Now, if you start with any letter, you copy that function first. Now you're going to substitute g as an object. So over here you substitute gx. Then over here you write x squared plus 6. So it's 3x squared plus 18 plus 4 is 22. Alright, so this is the answer for question number 3. Got it? So it's 3x squared plus 22 for the fg. How about for gf? Are they the same? Okay, so now the function is g, and the object will be, okay, we will copy down the g first. So the gx is x squared. When we see x, we don't write first, we leave it first, because we are going to change the object now to f. So here you will write, over here you will write fx, and here you will substitute the 3x plus 4, and you need to simplify to the simplest form. 9x squared 24x plus 16 plus 6 22. So this is gfx, this is fgx. They are not the same, right? Okay, they are totally different. So fg and gf are not the same. Now we need to solve. How to solve f equal to g? Meaning that we will take this function equal to this function. For f equal to g, let's do it here, f equal to g. So let's erase some space. Now we are going to take the f. Okay, we are going to take the f. Okay, let's highlight first. This is the f. Alamak, sorry. Where is my highlighter? Okay, my highlighter is here. I'm going to highlight the function f, right? And I'm going to highlight the function g, and we write in equation before we solve. So f, it means that fx is equal to 3x plus 4, okay, for f. For g, it means that gx equal to x squared plus 6. So we are going to equate them because f is equal to g, right? It means that fx equal to gx. So we just equate them like this. Okay, so now we need to solve. This is a quadratic equation. We'll bring everything to the right. Plus 2 equal to 0, and we need to factorize. You can press your calculator to factorize. Okay, if you factorize, your x will be x minus 1 and x minus 2 equal to 0. That are the two factor, and let the factor equal to 0. So the value of x should be 1 and 2, because the question is asking you to find the value of the values of the x. We have two values. Okay, how about fg and gf? Alright, where is our gf and where is our fg? Just now our gf is this one, right? We have a gf, so let's copy down the gf is equal to the fg just now was 3x squared plus 22 is equal to gf, which is 9x squared plus 24x plus 22, right? So now we can cancel out 22. So finally we will have, we bring everything to the right, will be 6x squared, right, plus 24x equal to 0. How to solve this? You have to factorize the common factor like this, and you have to let the factor equal to 0. Alright, so this is x plus 4. So 6x is factor, let the factor equal to 0, x plus 4 equal to 0, hence x equal to 0, x equal to negative 4. Right, so these are the two values of x. Okay, so we have complete question number 3. Now we are going to discuss question number 4, right? Okay, so let's do it now for question number 4. Okay, so for question number 4, we are given the function, right? Two function. One is fx equal to ax plus b. The other one is f2 equal to 4x minus 9, and find the value of constant a and b. Alright, so you're given the composite function, so you have to derive the composite function first, right? f2 means f, right? Okay, so meaning that the function is f. Okay, so we copy the function f, but the x will remain empty, and we are going to plug in the object as fx. Now here I will substitute as ax plus b. Okay, right go to right, left go to left. So you simplify a times a square, and x no square, and a times b, you will get ab plus the b, right? So please expand carefully so that you won't make careless mistake. So this is actually your f2x, and the function was given in the question they gave you. What is the function given? Is given there, so you can jot down, copy down, is equal to the function obtained by you just now. So you can always make it the same, right? So we are going to do comparison. How to do comparison? You use a highlighter, you just highlight like this. Okay, I'm going to compare the one with the x, so I highlight. Alright, let me highlight in green color. I highlight like this, so I'm going to equate these two, right? Make it the same. When we say equate means we make it the same. So I'm going to show you how I solve this. So I will draw the arrow like this. Okay, another one, I will use the purple color. Just now it was green. Okay, let's do another one. I'm going to use purple color. So is this one and the inclusive of negative, right? So I'm going to connect them. So these two must be the same. Okay, so this one is like this. So we just observe carefully. If x, coefficient of x, the a square here should be equal to 4, right? That means a should have positive and negative 2 when you square root the 4. Okay, then if you observe the purple color one, it means that AB, this one, this AB plus B, it should be equal to negative 9. AB plus B, it should be equal to negative 9. So now the value of B, it depends on the value of A. If the A is, let's say you have two values, if the A is 2, then you have 2B plus B equal to negative 9. Then 3B equal to negative 9. That means the B is negative 3, right? If, let's say, you choose the A is negative 2, then you will have negative 2B plus B equal to negative 9. Negative B equal to negative 9, hence the B is positive 9. So the answer for B, you should have two answers, right? So the answer is B is negative 3 and B is 9, right? So when we have to write in order, let's write like this. It depends on the A. If A is positive 2, right, and the B will be negative 3, right? Okay, when the A is negative 2, then the B will be positive 9. You see or not here? Positive, right? And then if here positive, and the B will be negative 3. So you have two pairs of answer, right? Okay, so we have complete the question number 4. Let's do question number 5. Okay, so question number 5 is about FG equal to GF. So it looks like a bit challenging, right? So let's do it carefully. We need to find FG and then we need to find GF. So Fx equal to 3x plus k. So I'm going to substitute the G inside there. So if I am substitute Gx here, so here I will have 2h minus 3x. Alright, so I simplify. I got 6h minus 9x plus k. Settle, this is Fg. Okay, now I'm going to do GF. So if I do GF, that means the G is the function, right? And the object will be Fx, right? So I'm going to copy down the G. Okay, so if G something will be 2h minus 3 something, right? And the something will be Fx. So I'm going to substitute Fx inside there, which is 3x, which is 3x plus k. Okay, so let's simplify. Gf x is equal to 2h minus 9x minus 3k, right? Okay, it looks like a bit complicated, so you have to be very careful. Now the question is saying that these two function, composite function, are equal. See or not? They are equal, so let's make them equal. Alright, so we want to equate them. So we are going to equate them. So that means 6h minus 9x plus k is going to equal to 2h minus 9x minus 3k. Now let's do comparison. We see these two are equal, so we can cancel out. That means 6h plus k equal to 2h minus 3k. Then what is the instruction of the question? Okay, find the relation between h and k. That means you have to form an equation between the h and k. So let's see, this one is 6 minus 2 is 4h, and this one will be, you will actually can see that this is negative, right? This is negative, right? This is positive. So if I bring to the right, it will be negative 4k, right? Simplify to the simplest form. Let's simplify to the simplest form. So your answer is h equal to negative k. That is called relation. Relation can be expressed into equation. So this is the final answer. So I have discussed all the exercise that I asked you to do. I'm sure if you have doubt to do, you can refer to my video teaching. So that's all my sharing for today. Till then, I shall share with you for more exercise in the coming video teaching. Bye bye and have a nice day.